From KS World again, and he's back with this experiment. This experiment is called Build Your Own Volcanic Eruption. It's gonna be super fun. So first, we have the goggles. Safety first. And then we got the volcano thingy. And then we got the scooper, which scoops these two elements wherever they are. And we got the stirrer that stirs all the materials to make the eruption go. And then we have the dropper, which you have to squeeze in to fill up the water and squeeze like this to put the water down. And then we have our colored water, which colors the volcanic eruption like this. So let's get started. First, we're gonna do safety first. Put on our glasses, goggles. Then we're gonna get our volcano and put it right here where there's lots of space so the eruption doesn't go everywhere. Now, let's do this. So first, it looks like we are gonna have to put, make sure you have, I guess we gotta put 2 scoops of the, 2 equal scoops of these 2 chemicals. Okay, that was easy. Oh, wait, what? I thought it was, okay. And then we're gonna get the scooper, put 2 equal scoops. Oh, this we're gonna have to put in here. Oh. This experiment's gonna be messy, okay? Messy alert. Now we're gonna put a scoop of this stuff. Into here. Then I'm gonna get the other lid, put some of this stuff in there. It's like crystals. It's like salt. It looks like salt. But trust me, it has a warning on it. That means do not eat. Okay, now I think we have to drop the colored water inside it. Now we have to stir it a little bit. So really the chemicals combine to make that real, like chemical that makes it explode. So yeah, I think it should be looking like that. And now we're gonna put the colored water in. You get your dropper, put it in. Now, put your colored water. It's going! It's exploding! Come on, get closer to this! Keep putting more. Just keep going. It's going to be such a cool eruption. Wow, it's beautiful. It's working. And I guess this is it of the science experiment. And I think I did really good. And if you guys do this at home, make sure it's in supervision. And you have to be in supervision, not anyone younger than you, someone older than you. Thanks for watching. So bye guys, I guess we have to leave. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye guys.